Hi guys, Miss Hallett here. Happy Friday! Woohoo! It's Friday. We have two more activities to do today, plus a very short celebration quiz of learning bar graphs this week. So let's focus. We're going to get it done, and then you're going to have a great weekend. So what you're going to need today for your activity is your graphing packet, okay? This is the very first page right here, the bar graph ticket sales of your graphing packet, okay? We're gonna do this page. We're also gonna do this page, which has to do with this graph. And then you have that third page, which is the baseball bar graph. Okay, so these three pages will need to be done in your bar graph today, in your graphing packet today, and then you will have a short celebration quiz. Okay, so these two pages here, this is the bar graph of ticket sales, okay? So again, as a problem solver, guys, I'm going to read, look, think, and try to figure out what I need to do. Esther's school sold raffle tickets last week. The table below shows the number of tickets sold each day. Use the information in the table to complete the graph. So here's my data in this table here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, they sold 55 tickets. Tuesday, they sold 40 tickets. Wednesday, they sold 25 tickets. Thursday, 35 tickets. And Friday, 80 tickets. Okay, so now you are going to take your handy dandy ruler, okay, and your pencil, and you're going to finish this graph. Now, they did a lot for you already. They have the title of the graph, which is Esther's Daily Raffle Ticket Sales. They already put the scale on there for you. Looks like it goes up by tens. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 at the top. The label over here is the number of tickets. Then the label down here is the days of the week, and we have Monday through Friday. Okay, so in this column here, you are going to fill in how many tickets? Yes, 55 tickets. In your Tuesday column, you'll fill in, you guessed it, 40 tickets. The Wednesday column here, yep, 25 tickets. Thursday, 35, and Friday, 80. Okay, use your ruler to make it nice and straight and neat. And if you want to use 5 different colors, if you want to use your colors and make the bars of the graph beautiful, totally welcome to do that. In fact, that's pretty cool. Then the second part of this activity, the bar graph ticket sales, you will be answering questions about this graph over here, that one right there. Okay, so use the bar graph you made to answer these questions. Number 1 says, how many tickets were sold on Monday? Number 2 says, how many tickets were sold on Thursday? Number 3, on which day were the most tickets sold? Number 4, on which day were the fewest tickets sold? Remember that word, those two words, most and fewest. Remember, most is the greatest, fewest is the least. What is on the y-axis of this graph? Remember, y is over here, x is down here on the bottom, okay? What is the x-axis of this graph? Number 7, how many tickets were sold after Tuesday? After Tuesday. Okay, we're not counting Monday and Tuesday. How many tickets were sold after Tuesday? How many tickets were sold before before Thursday. We're not counting Thursday, before Thursday. During which 2-day period were 115 tickets sold? So you need to figure out which 2 days add up to 115 tickets. Number 10, last one. How many fewer tickets were sold on Wednesday than Thursday? Okay, so that is your very first activity that you're going to do. You're going to make your graph, and then you are going to answer the questions. Okay? Now for your second activity. We're going to turn the page here to the baseball graph. The baseball bar graph. Okay, so the baseball bar graph says the school baseball team keeps track of how many runs each player gets. Use the graph below to answer the questions. The graph is already done for you. You've got all your information. We have the number of runs on the y-axis here with the scale that goes up by 2s. We have the players' names on the x-axis. We have Mark, Tracy, Doug, Patty, and Sarah. Okay, let's look at the questions here. How many runs did Sarah have? Number 2, how many runs did the player with the most runs have? Number 3, how many more runs did Doug have than Sarah? How many more? How many fewer runs did Mark have than Tracy? How many fewer? Okay, how many runs did, number 5, how many runs did Mark and Patty have in total? Number 6, how many more runs Mark and Doug? Oh, sorry, who has more runs, Mark and Doug or Tracy and Patty? So these two, did they have more or did these two have more? Number 7, which 2 players' runs added together are less than Tracy's? So which 2 players up here are less than Tracy right here? Number 8, Jose scores 5 more runs than Tracy. How many runs did he score? Number 9, list the players in order from fewest to the most. Okay, so it's smallest to least, fewest to most. All right, guys, that is it for your graphing packet. Then you're going to take your beautiful pictures so I can see all your beautiful graphs and your wonderful handwriting, and make sure your teacher can read your pictures. Okay, make sure that the pictures, your teachers can see the answers. Okay, last but not least, on this wonderful Friday, you're going to take the quiz on the bar graph. So you're going to click here and it'll take you to the bar graph quiz. Okay, so it says, please take this quiz and do your very best. Use scratch paper to do your work. You're going to put your name in, you're going to click your teacher, and then you're going to answer questions about what kind of pet do you own. All right, so you have 4 questions on the same graph. So you're going to read it, do your best, answer the questions, then click submit. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And remember, if you ever have any questions, please ask. All right, this may be challenging for you, but I know you can do it. All right, guys, have a great day. See you soon.